set. Okay, so maybe we let it sit for a bit. Look at that. I don't know how well it shows up on there. Okay, now disconnection logic. Or should we test it
Vibration.
first? Okay, that went off. Now I reset it. Okay, and then now I'm gonna blow on this guy. Okay, 30 degrees. Reset it.
And disconnection logic. Can you come over on this side?
Sure.
Oh, you were going to show sensor disconnection, right?
Yeah. Okay, so that fault. And then it's back on. That's good.
Can we do temperature and pressure?
Temperature, pressure is the fault.
Yep.
And then back to normal readings. RTC should say fault. Okay. And then back to normal values. And then we should compare the time against the clock as well, maybe if it focuses.
And can you unplug the sensor node?
This one?
Yeah, unplug it.
Nice.
Okay, now plug it back in.
Okay.
Restart serial monitor.
COM 5. You can find it. Okay, requesting name. Yes. Okay, come on. No. Okay, we wait 10 seconds.
I don't think this is good stuff. It's not solid. Do you want to mix and match? Yeah. This supposed to be the other side. This is good? Yeah.
Can you start monitoring again?
Device found.
Device rebooted.